A parade of storm systems is entering the western U.S. and will be bringing day after day of severe weather to the central and eastern U.S. this week. Everybody in these risk areas will be dealing with different modes of severe weather on each day. So in this video, I'm going to break down what you should expect, when you should expect it, and what you need to do to prepare. So right now, we're looking at a chance for significant severe weather every day from tomorrow through early next week. And in my opinion, Saturday may have the nastiest weather. But first, we got to talk about Thursday into Friday. We currently have a large area of cold air to the west in the form of a trough that is getting ready to meet this warm and moist air bubbling up from the Gulf of Mexico. Tomorrow, these air masses will meet and spark storms from Texas all the way up to Nebraska. Additionally, this temperature difference will allow for the winds right above your head to move really fast, fueling storm rotation. And while it will be very humid where we are down at the surface, the air right above your head will be ice cold to allow for explosive storm development. Remember, the atmosphere does not like cold over warm, and that warm air is going to want to rise and condense into clouds to fix the imbalance. And I'm not the only one concerned about this day for severe weather. Some of the best meteorologists in the world at the Storm Prediction Center and see this threat as well, highlighting an enhanced risk level 3 out of 5, calling for strong to intense tornadoes. So make sure to have a way to receive severe warnings and stay indoors when thunder roars. Now, these storms are expected to continue throughout Thursday night into Friday, all while continuing to drop giant hail, damaging winds, and significant tornadoes. I do also expect redevelopment the next day, increasing an all hazards threat for Friday. As the system pushes east, it will drag up more moisture as the temperature gradients are expected to strengthen. This will really help get that low-level jet whipping above our heads across the entire risk area, particularly in Missouri. All of these ingredients will be coming together to kickstart several rounds of severe weather, with perhaps a small reduction in the maximum threat overall compared to Thursday. However, the area of warm and moist air should be larger on Friday than on Thursday, so there is a much more widespread severe threat from Texas all the way up into Iowa. The hazardous weather will probably last throughout the day and into the night, so be sure to be prepared and take action no matter where in the risk you are during the day. Alrighty, so how about the big risk on Saturday I spoke about? Well, the central and southern plains are expected to remain unstable despite all of our storms eating up the juice on the prior 2 days. There's still more juice there. Another huge source of cold air in the Rockies should be pushing east on Saturday, and this time there is a better chance that this will clash with the warmer air out east at a more favorable time during the evening. This cold trough is expected to dig deeper and remain broader than the first storm system, leading to a very much stronger threat. So with this renewed temperature gradient, the maximum risk area will shift once again to Oklahoma and Texas. I am watching this day very closely for the potential for more significant tornadoes. As of recording this video, Saturday is a few days away, so I can't really nail down the specific details on the timing and the maximum threat just yet, but I may have another video update on this to get specific for Saturday. But what I can tell you is that everyone in the yellow or greater risk here need to start making preparations now so that you know exactly what to do if a tornado comes down your street. One important preparation I always think of is bringing whistles with you wherever you go to take cover from any tornado, so first responders can hear you if you are caught under tornado damage. And oh boy, it just never ends. Sunday, we run a risk again for tornadoes and damaging winds as the storms from Saturday re-intensify on Sunday, finally attached now to a sweeping cold front that should kick out this warm, moist air at least temporarily. However, that nicer weather won't come in before a big bang on Sunday. While I do believe the hail threat looks low right now, a few tornadoes and especially damaging winds as the storms congeal into a squall line are certainly possible. By Sunday, all the storms from the day prior will drop a ton of rain, so flooding may also become a concern. Once again, uncertainty in how this part of the event plays out is high, so I may try to get up another video later on the details for Sunday. But before then, we will likely be live streaming for several days in a row, with Storm Chasers feeding you guys vital information given how active you can see that this pattern really is. More details about exactly when our streams may start will be in our community tab, so keep watch on that. But with that said, I do appreciate you watching this video, and if you did enjoy or learn something, you may like these videos on the screen as well. So thank you for watching.